Well, ladies and gentlemen, I think that you have followed this, I would say, very high standard, but very simple, exactly in the spirit of humanism ceremony just a few minutes ago.
Dame i gospodo, moram reći da ste definitivno pratili visoke standarde, ali iako jednostavne, ali definitivno visoke standarde humanista i lige humanista.
So I will not repeat all what I've said there. I just want to say that my dedication to this organization, which is called...
Neću ponavljati ono što sam već govorio, samo ću reći da je moja predanost ovoj organizaciji, koja se zove Internacionalna liga,
objectives of FIFA. Our objectives of FIFA, we have...
Excuse me, microphone, please.
Well, okay. I say, when I look at the International League of Humanists, the League for Peace, it goes exactly in the same direction than the objectives we have fixed in FIFA several years ago. And the first one is develop the game. This is education. Then to play the game everywhere.
Kada govorimo o Ligi humanista, možemo reći da idu u korak sa ciljevima same FIFA i sa samim ciljevima koji smo mi zapravo utvrdili već prije nekoliko godina.
The second one is touch the world. And touch the world means with the organization of all competitions from youth to the FIFA's World Cup.
Drugo je da trebate raditi na tome da ste zajedno u rangu sa reprezentacijama iz Amerike i sa onima iz FIFA.
And the third one is prepare a better future. We do not speak directly about peace because it is very difficult to get into peace. But prepare a better future. And for whom? For our youth.
Treća poruka jeste da pripremite bolju budućnost za našu mladost.
But I have to add that FIFA, when we have a social, cultural impact on the game,
moram reći da FIFA, kada imamo društveni i kulturni utjecaj na igru,
so culture and social, economic as well,
ekonomski također,
we have also a political dimension.
Imamo tu jednu političku dimenziju.
And this political dimension here is now played by your national team that will bring together and connect all the three parts of this country.
A ta politička dimenzija jeste vaša nacionalna reprezentacija koja će povezati sve ove razloge zajedno.
And I congratulate the International League of Humanists, where I am also an ambassador, an extraordinary whatever ambassador, honorary ambassador, to have chosen the national team.
Čestitam Ligi humanista, čiji sam sada počasni ambasador, što su odabrali nacionalnu reprezentaciju.
But it's not the only problem we have not to have, because there are no problems, there are only solutions.
Nemamo problema, samo imamo rješenja.
We are just working inside FIFA with this connection we try to put together. It is Palestine and Israel.
Unutar FIFA radimo na tome da povežemo Palestinu i Izrael.
We try to find a solution, and I think we will find it during the next months between Cyprus North and Cyprus South.
Pokušavamo naći rješenje i nadamo se da ćemo pronaći u toku sljedećih nekoliko mjeseci.
And finally, we will try to help Kosovo to play football in its country.
I na kraju želimo također pomoći Kosovu da igra fudbal u svojoj zemlji.
So you see, we are not in politics, but football can help to solve problems that arise from politics.
Kao što vidite, mi nismo u politici, ali fudbal može pomoći rješenju problema koji nastaju zbog politike.
Voilà, I am happy and proud to be with you. I am still a member of the IPS, which is the International Sports Writing Association.
Čast i zadovoljstvo mi je i sretan sam biti ovdje s vama. Još uvijek sam član IPS-a, to jeste Internacionalnog saveza Internacionalnog saveza pisaca u sportu.
So I am still your colleague.
Još uvijek sam vaš kolega.
If you accept me.
Ukoliko me prihvatate.
Obzirom da je fudbalskoj reprezentaciji Bosne i Hercegovine mnogo bolje krenulo nakon suspenzije i promjena koje na koje su FIFA i UEFA primorale bukvalno naš savez, koliko se on osjeća zaslužnim za to što je naš tim jako blizu plasmana na jedno svjetsko prvenstvo nakon toliko godina i po prvi put u istoriji našeg fudbalskog tima.
If you speak about your national team, sure. I can say that your national team already was very nearby to be qualified for an international competition, the UEFA Cup in 2004, I think it was.
Ako pričate o vašem nacionalnoj reprezentaciji, onda moram reći da su oni bili jako blizu UEFA-nom kupu.
Just one goal, and then you would have been in Portugal.
Samo jedan gol i bili biste u Portugalu.
And now you need you need to win the matches, and then you have two matches. If you win the two matches, you will be in Brazil.
Sada morate u najmanjem slučaju da pobjedite ove dvije igre što slijeduju i onda ćete biti u Brazilu.
But what I have to say also is not only on the national team, it's the development of football in this country, which was not very easy to do because of this practically three-party, but football has now this organization that permits to play in all these regions and to have youth competitions all around the country.
Ali je generalno bio problem što se tiče fudbala u ovoj zemlji. Sada, međutim, imamo organizacije koje omogućuju da se fudbal igra u svim područjima ove regije i čak mladi u fudbalu, znači junior football.
Congratulations to the president of football. He has received also this special award. But I was happy to meet with the first president also here.
Čestitamo i predsjedniku koji je osvojio kojemu je uručena zahvala, a tu smo imali priliku i upoznati prvog predsjednika.
And when I'm speaking of people around the table, I cannot omit to say a few words or to congratulate and have a lot of respect to you, Mr. Osim.
Također, gospodine Osime, velika čast i veliko poštovanje nije što ste i vi tu.
But coming back to your national team, I hope that you will qualify, but I will say the same when I would be in Greece now.